Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, a cylindrical mug of radius 5 centimeters and height 9.8 centimeters is full of water. So mug is in the shape of cylinder. Okay, so cylindrical mug is of radius 5 centimeters. That means radius of cylinder here is 5 centimeters. Okay, radius of cylinder is 5 centimeters and height is 9.8 meters. 9.8 centimeters. So height of the cylinder is 9.8 centimeters cube. Okay, a solid in the form of right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere. So solid is in the shape of right circular cone. Okay, this solid is in the shape of right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere. That means this cone is mounted on a hemisphere. Okay, so immersed into the mug. So this solid is immersed into the mug. Okay, so the radius of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeters. So radius of this hemisphere is given that 3.5 centimeters. That means radius of cone is also 3.5. Okay, and height of the conical part is 5 centimeters. So the height of this conical part is 5 centimeters given. So find the volume of water left in the tub. So we have to find the volume of the water which is left in the tub. So that means the we have to subtract the volume of this solid from the volume of cylinder. Okay, so in order to find the volume of water left in the tub, in the mug, we have to subtract the volume of this solid from the volume of this cylinder. Okay, so first write the given dimension. Okay, so given data, write the given data. So cylinder dimension, write the cylinder dimension first. So cylinder dimensions, height capital letters, take it as capital H. Height equal to 9.8 centimeters and radius capital R equal to 5 centimeters. Similarly, solid dimensions. Okay, so solid dimension, that means here solid is in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere. So we have it consisting of one cone and hemisphere. So write the cone dimension. So cone. So radius small r equal to 3.5 centimeters and height small h equal to 5 centimeters and similarly hemisphere radius small r equal to 3.5 centimeters. So given that this solid is immersed into the cylinder, that means this solid is dipped in the cylinder. So we have to find the volume of water left in the cylinder. Okay, since the solid is immersed into the cylinder, okay, volume of water left in the mug equal to the cylinder equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. Okay, so we have to subtract the volume of solid from this volume of cylinder to obtain the volume of the remaining water. Okay, so equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. So we know that solid is in the shape of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. That means we have to add both the volume of cone and volume of hemisphere to obtain the volume of the solid. Okay, so in place of volume of solid we are writing volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, so we know that volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. So here we have taken as capital and capital H. So pi capital R square h minus volume of cone is 1/3 of pi r square h. Next, volume of hemisphere formula is 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, so now pi r square h minus, we can take here pi into r square as common. Okay, so pi r square is taken as common. That means here h/3 will be remains plus, so 2/3, or we can take pi r square by 3. If we take pi r square by 3, so here h will be remains. Okay, plus, so 2 into r will be remains. Okay, so 2 into pi r cube by 3. Okay, So here h plus 2r will be remain. Okay. So pi r square h minus pi r square by 3 into h plus 2r. Okay. Now pi value, substitute pi value equal to 22 by 7 into r square. So capital R value here is 5. Okay. So 5 centimeters whole square into h. H value, capital H is 9.8 centimeters. Okay. Minus pi into r square by 3. So pi value can be taken as 22 by 7 into r square by 3. So small r square, small r value is 3.5 centimeters whole square by 3 into h value. Small h value is 5 centimeters plus 2 into r value is 3.5 centimeters. Okay. So now 22 by 7 into 5 square is 25 into 9.8 can be written as 98 by 10. So centimeter square into centimeter, that means cubic centimeters, minus 22 by 7 into 3.5 centimeters whole square, that means 3.5 into 3.5 centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square by 3 into 5 centimeters plus 2 into 3.5 is 7 centimeters. Okay. So now you can cancel here. 7 1s are 7 1 2 8 28, that means 7 4s is 28. Next 5 5s are 25, 5 2s is 10, 2 1s are 2 7s are. Okay. So 22 into 5 into 7 centimeters cube minus 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5, it can be written as 35 by 10 into 35 by 10 into 1 by 3. Okay. So 5 plus 7 is 12 centimeters into centimeter square is cubic centimeters. Okay. So now 7 1s are 7 5s are, you can cancel. Okay. 5 1s are 5 2s are. Okay. Next 2 1s are 2 6s are, 2 1s are 2 3s are, 3 1s are 2 3s are. Okay. Again. Sorry. 7 5s are 35. Okay. 5 1s are 5 2s are, 2 6s are 12, 3 1s are 3 2s are. Okay. 2 1s are 2 5s are, 5 7s are. Okay. So now 22 into 5 into 7 centimeters cube minus 22 into 7 centimeters cube. Okay. So 22 into 5 is 110, 110 into 7 is 770 centimeters cube minus 7 2s are 14 plus 7 2s are 14 plus 1 is 15. So 154 centimeters cube. Okay. So 770 minus 154. So 616 cubic centimeters. So this is the volume of water left in the mug when the solid is immersed in the cylindrical mug. So this is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. Okay, the next question is, in the adjacent figure, the height of a solid cylinder is 10 centimeters and diameter is 7 centimeters. So in the given figure, the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters and the radius of the diameter is 7 centimeters. So diameter is 7 centimeters. That means radius of the cylinder is 7 by 2 centimeters. Okay. So two equal conical holes of radius 3 centimeters and height 4 centimeters are cut off as shown in the figure. So as shown in the figure, from each side of the cylinder, two cones are cutted. Okay. So the dimensions of the cone are given. Okay. Height of the cone is 4 centimeters and radius is 3 centimeters. It is given in the question. Okay. Find the volume of the remaining solid. So we have to find the volume of remaining solid. So in order to find the volume of the remaining solid, we have to subtract the volume of these two cones from the volume of this cylinder. Okay. So first write the given data. Okay. So given that. Okay. Write cylinder dimensions first. Cylinder dimensions. So height h equal to. So let it take as capital H. So height h equal to 10 centimeters and diameter the equal to, it is given as 7 centimeters. Okay. So diameter of the cylinder is given as 7 centimeters. That means it implies that radius capital R equal to 7 by 2 centimeters, half of diameter. Okay. And the cone dimensions are given. So dimensions of the cone, height h equal to, height of the cone is 4 centimeters given and radius small r equal to given that 3 centimeters. Okay. So height of the cone h equal to 4 centimeters and radius is 3 centimeters. Okay. So we have to find the volume of the remaining solid. So since the two cones are cutted from the cylinder, so the volume of the cylinder is remaining solid equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of two cones. Okay. So since the two cones are cutted, okay, so two equal cones of radius are cut off. Okay. So since the two cones are cutted from cylinder, volume of remaining solid, okay, volume of remaining solid equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of two cones. Okay, volume of cylinder minus volume of two cones. Okay, so equal to, so volume of cylinder, we know that volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. Okay, so here capital H and capital R are taken for the cylinder. Okay, so pi capital R square into capital H minus volume of two cones. So volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So since there are two cones, into 2 we are multiplying. Okay, so 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so equal to, so if we take pi as common, this, so here r square h will be remains minus 2 by 3 into, so pi is taken as common, that means small r square into small h will be remains. So equal to, so pi value can be taken as 22 by 7 into capital R square, that means capital R here is 7 by 2 whole square. Okay, so 7 by 2 whole square into h value, capital H is 10 centimeters. Okay, centimeters minus 2 by 3 into r square, small r value is 3 centimeters whole square into small h value is 4 centimeters. So 22 by 7 into, so 7 by 2 whole square, that means 7 square is 7 7 the 49 by 2 square is 4 into 10 centimeter square into centimeter is cubic centimeters minus 2 by 3 into 3 square is 9 centimeter square into centimeter, that means cubic centimeters into 4. Okay, into 4 cubic centimeters. So 3 3s are, it cancel. Okay, so again here 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 22 by 7 into, so 49 into 5 by 2. Okay, so 49 into 5, 5 9 is 45, 5 4, 5 4 is 20 plus 4 24, so 245 by 2 cubic centimeters minus 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24 centimeters cube. Okay, so 245 by 2 minus 24. So, okay, that means 2 will be gets multiplied. That means 245 minus 2 into 24 is 48 by, we can write common, okay, centimeters cube into 22 by 7. So 245 minus 48. So if you take 10 borrow, so 7 will be removed. So 197 by 2. 197 by 2 into 22 by 7 equal to, okay, 22 by 7 into 197 by 2. 2 1s are 2 11s are. So 197 into 11. Then 197, 197, 7, 6, 7, 2167 by 7 cubic centimeters. So equal to, so divide 2167 by 7. 730 is 210. Okay, that means 6 7. 7 9 is 63. So 7 minus 3 is 4 will be remains. So 0.0. 7 5 is 35. So again 5 will be remains after 5 and 0. So again 7 7 is 49. So remainder. So 309.57 centimeters cube. Okay. So 309.57 centimeters cube. So this is the volume of the remaining solid when the two cones are cutted from the cylinder. Okay. So this is the answer.